All right, you guys, this is the temperature where I'm at right now. And that just happened. So come with me to fix it. All right, listen. Oh, okay. I'm about to be like, I know I'm not that fucking big, bro. All right. Oh, somebody sat on my hat, bro. Oh, somebody sat on my hat? For real? Ah, the disrespect. Okay. All right, so I don't know if you can hear that or not. All right, so once upon a time, I knew I needed to get my brakes done, right? I told the people, yo, I don't like how the brakes feel. They were like, no. That was funny. I guess I need to get a phone mount. But I actually have one. It's called a fastball. But I I can't find it nowhere. Like I the mount is like stuck on there. Wait, where am I going? Oh yeah. The mount is shit. Move, bitch. Hey. Alright, well the wall mount is or the mount on it is still there. But I just need the part that goes on the phone because whoever had this truck last got the phone part. I don't know why he didn't just leave it or take this off. I don't know. But it's cold as shit, y'all. And I can't believe my window. Now listen. Alright, so I was actually talking about the brakes. And then I went off on a tangent about the window. The window off track. I don't know what happened to it. The window off track. So we're going to go and fix it. Because cardboard is not working. I told the people, hey, I don't like how the brakes sound. They was like, hey, the brakes is fine, but if you go get some, we'll put them on for you. I was like, all right. So I got the truck and the brakes started sounding crazy. So I had traveled pretty far the first day that I got it. And then by the end of the day, it was like, yeah, you need some brakes. So I just rather go to somebody that I know. So I had a nephew put them on because, yeah, I will work on a vehicle. I don't have any problem with working with a vehicle, or on a vehicle. But brakes is one thing I'm not finna do. I'm not finna do my own brakes. Are you serious? No. So I had a nephew put them on. But like, it sound crazy. Listen. Let off the gas. Somebody behind me. I can't hold up. I can't tell I let off the gas. But anyways, so alright, here we go. Nah, you can't even hear that. And I'm not gonna get stuck in a red light. Alright, so boom. So I just had nephew put them on there. So like it's kind of a long, well, it's not a long story. Let me see if I can explain this. And then I'm gonna have nephew pop up in the comments and let me know if I had the right or wrong explanation for this. But basically, the brakes that I had on was so bad. Like one of the brake pads was broke. It cracked, baby, it cracked. So one of the brake pads was broken, but like the rest of them were fucked up, like real bad. So the brake pads were so bad that it grooved into the rotors, like chunks grooved into the rotors. And so yeah, I could just get new rotors, but a bitch ain't got no new rotors money. So we just gonna let these new brakes. I'm poor. Shit. Until I can get the money for the new brakes or for the new rotors, we just gonna have to Anyway, so I really want a wall mount. I really want a car mount thing. Actually, I could put it right here. It will block the vent, but unless I get one of them. Yo, don't play with me. And yeah, this is dangerous as hell, but it's just me in the truck, okay? I don't got nobody else in the truck with me. It's just me. So I can be as dangerous as I want. That's called Marissa logic. I don't know if y'all knew that or not. My sister liked to say that's what you call Marissa logic. Anyway, I'm finna pull up to the Dollar General store because we finna ghetto rig this real good. Okay, so one, Dollar General was done, and two, as soon as I pulled this out, everybody decided they was gonna park right the fuck next to me. It's really annoying, but whatever, we here now. So I done got me, I'm trying to get the, you know what, it doesn't matter. Look, so I tried with pieces of cardboard. Does not work. Okay. So until I can get this door panel off, which I'm not trying to do that anytime soon. It is freezing. It is cold and I don't want to do it. So until I can get around to doing it, this how we finna roll, okay, you guys? Now we're gonna rig it up two different ways. Okay, first of all, you need to get this hoe up. Okay. Then you're gonna stick. Well, first of all, I need this to stay. So this is what we should do. Yep. Yeah. Okay, hold up. Don't fuck me up. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up now. Hold on now. Hold on a minute. Don't fall on me. Yeah, because it's too cold. It's too cold. It is 3 cold. Okay. So, ooh, where are my gloves? Oh. Of course that happened. Because why wouldn't that have happened? Why would that have not have happened? Okay. So I can only find my one glove, but okay. We're independent, we're strong, right? I got these little suction things to go up on here. That's how we're gonna handle it, okay? Suction. It needs to be placed like that. Do you see that? It needs to be placed like that. So I got 5 of them. I'm just gonna line them up. Okay, so I really in the fuck hope you can see that. You know what? If not, that's perfectly fine. Let's see here. Boom. You see that? So that way, if it starts to fall down, then with the tape not securing it, if it starts to fall down again, the ruler will catch it. and it'll stop it. So that's the easy way to do it. Oh my God. Oh. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh, give me warmth. Oh, give me warmth. Oh, it has been so cold. Well, I was planning on going to the car wash, but I think I woke up entirely way too late for that. Fucking hey, bro. Oh, my fingers are gonna fall. Oh my God. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. I need to vacuum this fucking bitch out so bad. I need a pack of cigarettes. Oh, I need to stop recording on this because that is where my to-do list is for the rest of the day. But I work third shift. That's why I'm out so late. So anyway, but all right, I'm going to do more nighttime ripping and runnings. Bye.